Welcome again to my channel, AutoCAD Tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the press pull command in AutoCAD. Now the press pull command is a very versatile tool in AutoCAD. You use it to create 3D objects, especially to extrude closed boundaries into 3D solids. Now this command is located right on the modeling panel. You can see here is the press pull command. You can also access this command by typing P, then from the drop down window click on press pull, or simply again by coming down to the command line and type press pull. Okay, so you can see that I have here two geometries, a circle and a square, and here also a polyline. So I'm going to create 3D solids out of this geometry using the press pull command. And here I have a circle and a rectangle, and they are both closed objects, closed geometry, but in between them there is also another closed boundary, which is this. So here I'm going to switch this view to isometric view and begin to generate 3D solids from these closed boundaries. So come over to the view panel, click and choose South East Isometric. I'm zooming. Okay. So I'll click on the press pull command. Okay, here you can see this is the circle and this is a square. And here is a closed boundary. Okay. Here's a closed boundary. Here is another closed boundary. And here again is another closed boundary. So I'm going to use the press pull command to extrude these boundaries into 3D solids, starting from this. Okay, let me terminate that height here. Let me make it 4. So this is the second boundary. Click on second boundary. Let's move it to a height of 6. Click on the third boundary, which is this. Move it also to a height of 4. Okay. So the 3 closed boundaries have now been extruded into 3D solids. When you place your mouse beside this object, you see that it is a 3D solid. This is also a 3D solid, and this is also a 3D solid. So again, with the press pull command, I can also offset the face or faces of these objects to any distance that I want. So click on the press pull command again. I'm going to offset this very face. You can either move it up or down depending on the height you want. Offset it up to this very point. I can also offset this face. Offset it out. You can do the same for this if you want. You can also offset this. Alright. Okay, so here you can use the press pull command to extrude those boundaries and also offset the faces of such 3D boundaries. Okay, so let's now come over to a polyline and see what to do with that. Okay, here's a polyline. Also with the press pull command, I'm going to extrude this. So click on the press pull command, click on the polyline and extrude also to a height of, let's make it 6. Right, now you can see that this is not a 3D solid. You can see that it's surface extrusion. So when you extrude a line or an open geometry using the press pull command, what you get as a 3D is a surface and not a 3D solid. What you get when you extrude a line is surface and not solid. So these are how you can use the press pull command to create 3D solids and surfaces in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.